Stop filming my sexiness, please.
It's raining! And look at everyone. Yeah, they're trying to get inside. Oh my god. Look at them. How was the weather today, Maya? How was the weather today? Very. Is it very good?
I don't like it.
Don't like it?
No.
What about you, Boris?
You know, watching kids.
Oh my god, look at it. Another thing is inside. Oh my god. Okay, let me see. I'm taking a video. I'm taking a picture.
No, stop.
Yeah. Hi.
Everyone.
Wow. Hello. Look at. Right, it's very weird. Jennifer's just looking at the camera like, what am I doing? Yes, what are you doing?
I think there's a direct correlation between me not bringing a sweater and the weather being bad.
I know, me too.
Because whenever I grab my sweater, it's a beautiful day out. The days I forget it, it starts raining. I'm gonna bring my sweater every day.
Wise words from Mr. Amaya. Never seen a fish pack at all. Oh my god. Say hi, Maya!
Are you gonna put this on the YouTube?